Welcome. Here I have the front half of my car tore out right off. So right behind me I have a pile of the goodies that was on the front end of the car. So part of the design, when I went through it and kind of fabbed up most all that stuff, I wanted to make sure that I could actually tear apart the front of this car really easy. So going through this process right now, getting it ready to rip the engine out was actually a pretty good test. Me being slow, not just mentally, but slow working, I was able to take it off pretty quick, leisurely. I would say a couple hours. Yeah, about a couple hours. So coming up next, I am gonna have to pull the engine up, and that's happening tomorrow. So that's what's happening. I was told I don't get any action video, so I'm gonna get some video of Chris doing. It
says up and it says down.
Yeah, okay. The reason why I'm saying that is I didn't know how to use the transmission hoist. Then again, I didn't really look at it too much.
Makes it easy peasy. Probably gonna have to bring the car down though. Work your way in and out.
All right.
Fancy trains in here.
Fancy trans.
Living that stock life. Oh, I am.
Living that full built 4L80E life here.
Yeah.
Let's go show people your car. Now that you're here. The inside.
I'm gutting it for a K50 cage, so we can be legal to run faster than a 999.
So why do you need that again?
So we can go faster than a 999.
Again.
Or faster than 10 really.
Why do you need that?
Because
Yeah, never mind, the joke's lost. But anyways, this car has it in it all day. So let's go see what this racket is over here. I don't know if they want to show the license plate. What you breaking over here, fellas?
our
Figured I'd take a moment to take a video just to highlight what I'm doing. I'm dropping the K member so I can actually paint everywhere inside the shock tower area and the engine bay. Yeah, this is fun.
So fresh, so clean, so
Get the engine bay all degreased before I scuff it up and paint it. She definitely needs it. Dirty. Where's your mask at?
at work. Why I don't have my
It's invisible.
why I don't have my work hoodie on?
This is the non-toxic stuff.
Yeah.
So anyways, the bay has been primed, ready for action as you see. Wheel wells are being painted black, and it looks better that way. Try not to get overspray on the camera. Well, it's not. I'm not telling you to stop doing what you do. Get after it. So nice seeing this not multicolored and dirty primer. black paint in the wheel wells and over here. So when you look through the fender vents, all you'll see is mostly black, except when you look into that hole. Okay, just got done with shooting the K51 code, which is a Nissan paint, platinum graphite for the engine bay. This is just satin black. It's not perfect, but it's an engine bay. I think it laid down pretty well, considering it's rattle can. When I say rattle can, it's high. Let me show you. This. It's a higher quality stuff, so it's not just like off the shelf. It is off the shelf, but you know what I mean. Stop messing with me. Got into the tunnel a little bit. So I need to give this about 20 minutes before I spray it clear, which is satin, and then I'll be done. Alright, engine bay has been sprayed, completed. When I say completed, it has been it has been cleared.